Good afternoon. Today I will do the journal only of yesterday's trade. So this one formed an equal high. So there is a tendency that market will accumulate here. Then it might break up and continue to form higher high, or it might start to go down. And the mistake I did was only one time I saw the means daily analysis that from from higher time frame to lower time frame. So I did that nicely, but I missed the candle type that formed, and also this was not accurate. Mm, this one I should have marked, this one also I should have marked. Okay, that's not the problem. I took the correct trade also. So the problem was here. See, every trade, before taking every trade, once go to higher time frame and see what is happening, then only take the trade. Like here it is, if I am taking here, so it is like this one. So it is a retracement trade and continuation. And 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2 easily achievable. Plus, if I am targeting this, it is easily achievable. And in higher time frame also, it is double top along with this breakdown, and also at neckline there is a mm, chart pattern formation. So that was a good trade, but this one I didn't trade because Ethereum was lagging behind and this one started to move already too much. So I missed actually. The confluence was good, but the touches was less. One touch, two touch, three touch, and then breakdown. That's why. So number of touches doesn't matter that much. And also I was waiting for the market to go a little bit more higher, then to fall, because from this top to this bottom, here it is a 50% and here it is a 38%. So little bit zoom out and see other support and resistance. See, this is a good support and resistance line. Here also it is a good support and resistance line. So market might reverse from here or it can reverse from here. So there is a tendency or probability that market will reverse from both ways, from here and here. So that's it. And here I did the mistake. One touch, see, here I waited for one touch, two touch, three touch, four touch. Okay, then breakdown. But here one touch, two touch, and I entered here. So it and another thing I'm saying, if I am trading and it is directly in the same candle, if it is showing positive, then there is a high chance that it is a breakout and market is starting to go reverse. So if in this kind of setup it breakout, I can enter here, keep my SL here. Although it is a not good favorable trade and the percentage is very less. Let's see, 13%, point, not 13% also, 0.13%. So if I have to cover this one, 13% plus 10% is 0.23%. So 0.23 I have to take minimum 0.23, then only it is a profitable and 1:1 trade. So and there is spread also. So I took one yellow trade. Yellow means random, wishing that market will go higher. Instead of seeing the higher time frame, I just took this trade, yellow trade, thinking this is a good market has shown strength from this level, right? This area, this is 23% area as well as 38% as well as 50% area. So market has shown strength here, but I took a random trade. This one should be like this. It reversed here till here, it reversed, then it started to form high, like right. So on this breakout, if I would have taken an entry here, then it is okay. Entry over here, SL here, then see 1:2 achieved. 1:3, 1:2 easily achieved. Instead I will exit few quantity here because here is one support resistance line. So that was a good area and that trade was a valid trade. See, it went up, came down, retest this trend line, again it started to go up. But in theory, see, this is forming a, what to say, triangle, not triangle, wedge pattern. So market will try to fall, so I will exit here only. That's okay, because this is a good resistance. So here all the khichdi happened. Buyers trapping sellers, seller trapping buyers. So see, it can get breakout. Trap means here the SLs of sellers, it started to came down. Again it went up. It took the SLs of buyers. It went up, took the SLs of sellers, and then big players entered and see the rally. And also here one FOM, not FOMC, the person, the US Senate, not Senate I think, but yesterday one important meeting was there. So at 7 p.m. So the meeting time was here. See, 7:30, actually 7:30 it was there. So before only market started to react like this, because maybe the meeting have started before only, I don't know, but the news came later. So what I am saying, this thing, another lesson I learned, maximum 2 trade per day, because see, one trade I am profit, another trade loss, finish. Or this one not valid, another took SL hit, no problem, SL hit, no problem. With maximum 2 to 4, 2 plus 2 equal to 4% loss I took, and sat outside the market. Otherwise, see, if I would have entered the market here, means again third trade, if my entry is here, gone. If I suppose this is trap trading, so it went up, it started to come down in next candle only. So if I enter here, my target will be like this area, so my SL will be here. So this is third trade, SL gone. Here it SL gone. Again another trade is here, it came down. If I enter here, my SL would be here, that SL also gone. Hedge position, I enter here, my SL is here, market didn't continue, so there also one SL gone. So maximum 2 trade, the reason why they say that maximum 2 trades per day is for this reason. Otherwise, uh, leave this one, this is one loss. Okay, let mark, this is like 1% profit I made, suppose 1%. Okay, let's take 2%. 2% profit I took here, and then this trade I lost, and -2. So +2 -2 net equal to 0. And then again I took here trade 1:1, I might not cover. C, and the importance of this structure to break is very important. After that only market started to fall. And in Ethereum also same kind of thing is there, I will show. So this is net balance is 0, finish. And then another trade, the here -2, then again -2, then again -2. So account blown in funding account, that day account is blown. That's why number of trades should be less. And let's go to Ethereum. That was one yellow trade. And here I planned one trade that market will fall. I saw like this, but I didn't trade anything, because if I enter here, see where I will keep the SL, that's why I didn't enter. And that will be a guess entry and yellow trade. So this one, morning one setup formed, but see here another lesson is there. See, market continuously fell. So bargain from this bottom to this top to this bottom, 50%. Then at the top it should be, or better, this is what to say, that SL hunting setup is there, means invite setup. So here is the liquidity grab done. And see here one thing, liquidity grab setup is also not working. Suppose if I enter here and keep my SL here, 1:1 I won't get out, right? At least 1:2 I need. So market is crazy. First 20 days it is not following the rules and regulations of market, because new salaries has come, so it is using their salary and making them loss. So here many people lost money, here also many people lost money, means those who entered here, their SL would be like this candle. Those who have kept here, they got saved, otherwise this is deadly. And today what I did today was, on this breakout, this was like this. So on this breakout only I took and realized that this is a yellow setup, random setup. And even though I was trying to prove the market that I had reasons to buy this setup, so it didn't work, and it went up like this. And see, I had no reasons, so I took a small loss and enter the market with a small capital. So when there is a no trade, don't trade, that is the thing. And see, Bitcoin, here was a trade, but I didn't execute because already two SLs got hit. So this is Ethereum. So Ethereum, it formed very nicely. So here I took the trade, but because of problem from exchange, they removed me. There is that what spread is there, because of that spread my SL got hit. I immediately, when broke this breakup structure happened, or change of character happened, I immediately trailed my SL to here, and within few seconds my SL was hit. And although it was like 25 rupees, that is one fourth, 50 is one fourth, 1/8 of my daily loss capacity. So that was a good thing. But again, see here, again one mistake I did here. $1 means 50% I applied. So see, I saw one touch, two touch, three touch, and then breakdown. Because of morning, that one thing was there in my head, that is roaming. So this was a justified trade from this top to this bottom also. No, from this top to this bottom, this was not checked properly, but I made a yellow trade, kind of yellow trade, but with very less reasons. Like one is uh, Fibonacci I didn't draw, that is the thing. Here if I am missing the core values, then don't take the trade. If one core value is missing, then don't take the trade. If all the three main core values are there, like Fibonacci, then trend line and pattern, if these three things are there, then only I will take the trade. If pattern is not there, then it is different kind of setup. Like here trap setup will come, then support resistance will come, then 200 moving average will come. Like here it was justified from this top to this bottom. Let me show. So from this top to this bottom, see, it is 50% between the golden retracement area. So it is, the market is between golden retracement area, so it is totally suitable to take this trade. So I took an entry here only, uh, at correct breakdown only I took, and I kept my SL here. And my target was, first target was like this area, So because of broker I got terminated, so that's okay, part of game. I can't curse the broker, right, every time. And another thing, hmm, no, this is too early morning, so afternoon, evening I didn't trade this one. In Ethereum also I think I took an sell setup. Yes, I took an entry kind of right somewhere here or here at 3 p.m. like there. I took this breakup structure was there na. Here only I took the trade. See, this is break. I waited for the retracement. It came. I took the trade, limit order, and my target was up here, the SLs. So I took a manual exit because it was forming a higher high and the wedge pattern, smaller higher high and plus wedge pattern. That's why I exited the position, and that was the correct thing. That saved my ass like $1. So I will calculate how much total loss and everything happened this month. So this is the thing. And morning I didn't see, means I didn't woke up much early, that's why I missed this trade. 6:30 I don't wake up, I woke up at here was another setup. See, this Ethereum setup I didn't see in morning, but Dogecoin I saw it just break this trend line had been broken down. So those who are trying to means just push the market up, their SL will be there, right? And another thing, my first one touch, two touch, here I violated the rule of trend line. Still it was kind of okay, but here see, it trapped the buyers and then it came down because of news only. Here this many problem was there. Mm, and I have to do more patience test. So this one, those who have sold. And one thing I am missing again, see, in the higher time frame, these all stupid things have formed a doji. See here the doji. So it just gave break. So let's see, suppose this one was breakout, okay. So okay, let's use trend line only, it is better. So my see, this trend line is already there. So one touch, two touch, three touch, and then breakout. So this breakout is suitable or not, don't know. That's why, see, that day it formed. Yesterday this was the candle, right? And then this can be day before, this is the candle. So I didn't look at this candle properly, what it was trying to convey to me. And what happened was 200, this is 20 ma, so 20 ma is also there. It too went up, then came down, means sellers are very active, and then it crossed the trend line. So my entry should have been uh, in here, or when this trend line cross here, and exit will be breakup structure, no, this area or maximum this area. Okay, the part of game. I am doing mistakes, realizing it. Let's see BTC. So BTC also, see, went up, then it started to come down. So that's it.